Today, I'm going to show you how to stop Chrome YouTube notifications in just a few simple steps. If you're tired of constant pop-ups and alerts from YouTube while you're browsing in Chrome, this quick tutorial will help you turn them off fast. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, open YouTube in your Chrome browser and make sure you're signed into the account that's sending the notifications. Once YouTube loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu where you can access your YouTube settings. From the menu, click Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look for Notifications and select it. This is the area where YouTube controls the different alerts it sends to your browser and device. Now find the option for Desktop Notifications. To stop the alerts, simply turn Desktop Notifications off. Once that setting is disabled, YouTube should no longer send you those browser notifications in Chrome. If you're still seeing alerts, double-check that you're signed into the correct Google account and that desktop notifications are fully turned off. Sometimes browser permissions can also affect this, so it's a good idea to verify your Chrome notification settings if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to stop Chrome YouTube notifications and reduce unwanted pop-ups while you browse. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.